Hello dear students, today we are going to start with the next organic compound, and that is our aniline children. So children, see, this is aniline. Okay, this is an oily liquid which is insoluble in water. This is aniline. So looking at the color itself you can identify. Okay, now the first test for aniline is that take a small amount of aniline in a test tube and you will add bromine water to it. Okay children, so children, bromine water is highly corrosive in nature, so you have to be very careful. Okay, so kindly see, in a test tube you just take it. Okay, to this I am adding bromine water. Children, this bromine water is kept in the rack. You can see here bromine water is there. Okay, now in this we are going to add a small amount of bromine water. Okay children, now on adding bromine water to this test tube, children, what will happen is you have to slightly shake and it will give you a white pinkish color. See, you can see it is giving you pinkish white color. Can you see the pinkish white color here appearing? So this is the first test for aniline children. Okay, now the second test for aniline is that you have to take small amount of aniline in a test tube. Okay, you have to take a small amount of aniline. You have to take small amount of aniline in a test tube. Okay, now see, this is your red litmus paper. Okay, you might have seen, see, this is red litmus. Now aniline is basic in nature children, it is basic in nature. So this red litmus turns blue. When you insert this red litmus, just tear only one page of red litmus paper. Okay children, now when you add the red litmus paper to the test tube children, okay, to the test tube, see, I am just tilting it. Okay, so it has started turning blue. This red litmus is turning what? Blue. It shows that aniline is basic in nature. Okay, the second one is that the third test for aniline is that you have to take small amount of aniline in a test tube. Just take small amount of aniline in a test tube and add potassium dichromate solution, K2Cr2O7 solution, which is already prepared and kept. So you will put this, okay, slowly. Okay, and to this solution you will add few drops of dilute H2SO4. This is dilute H2SO4 which is kept it in your rack. So on adding few drops of dilute H2SO4 to this solution, just very carefully you have to add because it is sulfuric acid. Okay, so add few drops of dilute H2SO4 solution. It will turn deep red color. Okay, it has started turning deep red, and on keeping it for a few minutes further, it will turn into deep blue. Can you see the deep blue solution children? Okay, so I have added only small amount here. See, sulfuric acid mein I have shown you the one which I have already done previously and kept it children. See here. Okay, now just shake this solution. Okay, on shaking further, okay, you can see how it is turning deep blue. Can you see? The whole solution has started turning deep blue. Can you see the deep blue color children? Okay, it has started turning deep blue. So this is the third and the conformity test. Later on it will turn this way, deep blue, whole solution. Okay, on shaking this you have to shake a little bit more. Okay children, now this is your deep blue. So I hope that you have understood all the three conformity tests for aniline children. Thank you.